Side effects may include intestinal pseudoobstruction, levator syndrome, rumination disorder, short bowel syndrome, fibrodysplasia ossificans progressiva, epidermodysplasia versiformis, green skin, feathers, changes in clothing, finding Waldo, shape shifting, Wi-Fi hotspot, ability to talk to insects, smashing oranges, wet phalanges, closure of the epidermis, retention of dihydrogen monoxide, hyper-awareness, local mortality, developing an interest in pop music. Contact 911 immediately if your nation lasts longer than 4 hours. Contact 911 immediately if your nation lasts longer than 4 hours.